America is drawing the line, and this time it's digital. The Department of Homeland Security, in partnership with USCIS and the Department of Government Efficiency, has officially overhauled the same systematic alien verification of entitlements system, making it a single national authority to verify non-citizen status. This massive upgrade does more than just checks names. It eliminates fees for agencies, link criminal records, map immigration timelines, and even update addresses in real time, all to stop non-citizens from illegally voting or exploiting taxpayer-funded benefits. The new SAFE system now features a user-friendly dashboard and automated status alerts to help federal, state, municipal, tribal, and territorial authorities screen for illegal residency fast and accurately. And in a major move, the Trump administration has also re-emphasized strict registration laws. Anyone who entered the US without inspection or stayed under the radar must register with federal officials immediately or face potential criminal charges. Even legal immigrants are now under stricter rules. They must carry their DHS-issued registration documentations at all times or risk violation notices under the new compliance protocol. The message is clear: legal status is no longer optional, it's mandatory, trackable, and enforceable.